Ready ka na bang magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay? So ito yung 5 bagay na kailangan mong isipin bago ka mag-decide. Una, kaya mo na ba mag-commit ng long-term financial responsibility? Owning a home is a big responsibility. It's not just about monthly payments. Kailangan mo rin isipin yung maintenance, repairs, at utilities. Siguraduhin mo na handa ka sa commitment na ito. Pangalawa, nasan ba yung dream home location mo? Location, location, location. So isipin mo kung saan mo gustong tumira within 5, 10, or 20 years. Malapit ba ito sa trabaho mo, sa mga school, saka sa mga importanteng lugar para sa'yo? Pangatlo, afford mo ba yung monthly down payment at monthly amortization? Make sure na kaya ng budget mo yung initial at ongoing costs. Hindi lang ito one-time payment. Kailangan mo rin consider kung pasok sa monthly budget mo ang mga babayaran. Pang-apat, ready ka na ba sa possible emergencies? Unexpected things happen. Dapat meron kang emergency fund na pwede mong gamitin just in case. Owning a home means being prepared for the unexpected, like repairs at sudden expenses. Panglima, may future plans ka ba sa house na yan? Think long term. May plano ka bang mag-expand, mag-renovate, o magbenta in future? Consider if your house will meet your needs now and in the years to come. I'm Justin, a licensed real estate agent. I'm here to help you to make the right decision. So kung ready ka na kumuha ng bahay, tara, usap tayo.